All right, I'm out here. It's at our, this truck is at our shop. It's a 2011 Hino. It's a diesel truck. It has 305 something thousand miles right in there. I want you to come out and look at it. I'm told that the radiator might need a little work. It's an automatic transmission. It was used by a vending company. Got those machines where you get your crackers and popcorn. The tailgate lift works. I believe you could drive it home except for that radiator. I don't know what it is wrong with it. They just told me it might need some radiator. And maybe I can let that down real quick. You can see it. Then you'd have to fold it out. But it works good. It does have a side door where you can get up to the front. I measured, I might have told you this, but I measured that box. It's about 26 feet. Give you a quick peek inside. Here's the motor. There it is. Not too bad a shape. This is one of our online auctions, and it's at our office in Greer. That's where you'll pick it up, or you can come out and check it out.